What's up guys, Ackeem Sterling here. So in this package I have a universal AC adapter that I'm basically going to unbox to let you guys see. So basically inside the package we have adapter right here, we have the plug, and then we have the adapter part right here, which is looking pretty great. As you can see, AC DC adapter input 100 to 240. As you can see right here, output DC 18 volt 3A. So basically you can use indoor, and this is basically how it looks. So this is the port. So if you have an AC adapter, this basically can work quite fine on it. And I basically find this one very interesting, and I love how it basically look, because also we have a light right here which indicates when you basically plug in and it's working. So here we have the plug right here. As you can see, this basically can work on any appliances in your home. So basically one of these that use to plug in behind. You can use on your TV, you could use on any basic things in the radio, or any different things that you're basically using with this port right here. So it's basically simple to use. All you have to do is to plug it in and it will work quite fine on your device. So as you can see guys, I can plug this right here into right here. I love how this part can basically detach. So as you guys can see, I have basically plugged it in right now. As you can see, there's a light right here. It's a little light which basically used to indicate that this basically plug right in. So I'm using right now, I'm using a ring light right here, and this ring light uses a same AC adapter. So I'm going to plug it out right now. I'm going to switch it to this one to let you guys see basically how it works. It's basically a plug out, and this is the adapter right here that I'll be using, which is my ring light. So I'm going to switch it now right now with this one right here to see you how basically it works. So as you can see guys, I basically plug it out and it's working quite fine with this right here. So it can work on any appliances, I said earlier on, which have the same AC adapter as this, which work quite fine. So I hope you find guys this video very helpful.